Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on? I am at my client Eric and Jenny's, I think 6th Section 8 rental property. Eric and Jenny, please don't hold that against me. They just keep buying, and I'm so proud of them. Guys, you might be wondering why I'm so tall. I am standing on sheetrock, that's why. So we just had all this sheetrock delivered. This house is phenomenal. This is a 3-bedroom that we are turning into a 5-bedroom. This house right here is the epitome of value add. It is in a great location. It has a fantastic layout, and we are improving upon it to get the maximum value out of this, okay? So guys, here in the living room, we are framing in, everything just started over here. So we're framing in a new bedroom, okay? We're doing a lot of work here. All the sheetrock was just delivered. We have a good sized living room here as well. We took a lot of trash out of here. We took about 2.5 dumpsters out in the first couple of days, and we still have about 2 dumpsters worth of stuff outside. So coming through the living room, off of the sheetrock, we have bedroom number 2 right here. Did not have a closet, so we framed the closet in. Everything in here is going to be repainted, all new floors throughout this entire house, guys. And same thing, so through the kitchen, all new floor in the kitchen. This is the old vinyl sheet flooring. We're going to rip all this stuff up. We're going to clean this whole place up, paint the cabinets. Everything in here is going to be really nice when we're done with it. Working our way back through, this is our dining room area. Put a nice big dining room table in here. We have 2 more bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right, and our bathroom right in front of us. So we'll start over here. Nice big bedroom. Of course, gonna need new closet doors. We have a half bath with no door. Off of this, we'll put a new vanity, new toilet in here. Of course, we're gonna paint and we gotta do drywall work all throughout this entire house as well. New light fixtures also. And then we come into bedroom number 4. So 4 bedrooms on the first level, but Jenny and Eric, they love 5 bedrooms. So we always find a great way to do a 5-bedroom, no matter where, no matter what the house is or what the layout, we always try to do it as long as it is going to be suitable for a tenant. So what we do is, in this instance, we had a really good downstairs, we had a really good basement. So what we are in the process of doing is building, framing a bedroom down here. Now, everything in this basement is in the process of being cleaned out. There's a washer dryer that will get out of here. You have a newer water heater, you have a newer sump pump, you have a newer HVAC system. And this window right here, we're gonna swap this out, put a good window in here that's approved by Section 8. We're gonna install a ceiling all right here, and we'll frame in a closet. I don't know where they're gonna put the closet, most likely this corner right here for bedroom number 5. So down here, Eric and Jenny have another house that also has a bedroom in the basement that flew off the rental market in, I think, like 4 days. So we are going to mimic that success with this unit here. Overall, guys, this unit as a 5-bedroom is going to bring in between $14,000 and $1550 a month. I'm seeing Section 8 vouchers going through the roof when you know which ones to take and which tenants to take on, which is an art, and it's an art that our management companies have learned to succeed with tremendously. So if you guys are looking to do this, you want the teams, you don't want to go through the trials and tribulations of hiring the wrong companies and losing money, just skip right to the finish line. Jump over all that. Get right with the experienced people who do this for a living, guys. Send me an email in the description below. We'll get you guys started. You use my people, my teams, and you work with me hand in hand. We're able to get done whatever you want, facilitate whatever it is you want to facilitate. And as always, questions and comments, guys, leave them in the description below. We'll see you next time.